Hey y'all, welcome back to Honey Bear's Country Kitchen. If you're new here, I'm Heather. And this is my crazy adventure of a kitchen today. It has been a very, very long day. It's 9 o'clock at night, and we're gonna get ready to make some chicken salad. Fast, easy, simple, and to the point. It's just been a long day. And if you have kids, you mamas know what I'm talking about. So follow along as we get started. Alrighty friends, so I went to my local grocery store earlier and I bought a rotisserie chicken because my youngest son really wanted chicken. So that's what we got. So I went ahead and just shredded what was left of my rotisserie chicken. So we're gonna go ahead and just add our ingredients into this bowl and get it all nice and mixed up. Alrighty friends, so I have a sweet onion. I'm gonna go ahead and get my sweet onion diced up. If you don't like onions, you don't have to use them. I tell you what, this weather's been crazy from going from cool to hot to warm. And now this next week is supposed to do nothing but storm all week, starting tomorrow. So yeah, we've had some crazy weather. And then the kids are winding down and getting ready to be done with school for the year. So mama's gotta come up with some creative things for them to do all summer. The peel does not want to come off this onion. There we go. Alrighty, so now we got our onion nice and diced up. I'm gonna use the back side of my knife and I'm just gonna scrape my onion right into my bowl. And then next, I'm gonna take my celery. And I like to try to go for the middle. And then we're going to go ahead and chop this celery up and get the celery put into the bowl next. Alrighty, so now that we have our celery chopped up, we're going to go ahead and drop that down into this lovely bowl here. We'll go ahead and put the knife away because we're done with that. So next, I have me some sunflower seeds, or kernels. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm probably put about a half a cup in there. If you want more, I'll put more. I mean, depends on how much you like and how much you want. And then I'm gonna take ocean dried cranberries here, because who don't love some nice sweet cranberries in a salad? That just totally makes the salad. And we'll probably put about a cup of cranberries in there. Alright, so to that, got me this lovely yellow mustard here. I'm just gonna go ahead, put about 2 tablespoons worth in there. And then I use Duke's mayo. You can use any mayo you like. Duke's is my favorite. My husband bought Hellmann's and he's like, it's all mayo, it's all the same. And I'm like, no. So I had to run and go get me some more Duke's. Everybody just has their taste that they love, and Duke's is mine. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up, see if we need more. We're probably gonna need more because there's quite a bit of chicken in here. gonna go ahead and put more. Get another spoon here. So I'll just get a spatula. And then it depends on what you guys like your salad too. So this is gonna be for tomorrow, like doing a picnic tomorrow on a little road trip that we're having. So, and my chicken will soak up a lot of my mayonnaise. Okay, so to that, I have garlic powder here. And me, I'm probably using a good tablespoon of garlic powder. I like garlic powder. You can put your own seasonings that you prefer in. And then I'm gonna put some fine onion powder in. And then I just got a seasoned salt out to put in. I guess we'll go with the other side. And I probably used about a teaspoon of seasoned salt. So we're gonna go ahead and get this nice and mixed up. Alrighty friends, we're gonna get a spoon and we're gonna try this. But look how moist that is. I'm gonna go ahead and try this. I love me a good chicken salad. And let me tell you, that's the only way I'll make it. And honey, Hellmann's ain't the way. Duke's is. He'll get a laugh out of that when he sees that. When he bought me Hellmann's home, I just looked at him and shook my head. He tried though, he tried. I gotta give him credit. But, friends, I thank you for watching. Short, simple, sweet video today. Something easy to take to football games, picnics, baseball games. If your kids are showing at the fair for 4-H or FFA, something simple and easy as a chicken salad. Put it in the cooler. Put it in a Ziploc bag, put it in the cooler. That way you don't have to worry about breaking your container or whatnot. Because this mama, that's how I transport my stuff, is in a Ziploc bag in a cooler. But friends, I thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my channel. If you would you hit that like and that subscribe button? And leave us a comment down below. I'm always answering my comments when I see them. And just remember, friends, keep God first, family second. Remember the good Lord's always there for you. If you're having a hard time right now, turn to Him, pray. If you just feel down and out, turn to God. He's always listening. Because I tell you what, I've had some of my own low days here and there lately, and I'll sit down and I'll pray to God, open up my devotional, and I feel a lot better. So until next time, friends, bye.